Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Starting off with the profile of the boat, this model is equipped with the light blue hull color. We've got a white rub rail with stainless steel insert. You'll notice on the underside of the hardtop, we have a matching light blue color as well. So here in the cockpit of the 240 Dauntless from Boston Whaler, with the stern seat in the down position, we have a really nice casting platform. You'll also notice that we have two swim platforms that are angled outward away from the motor with a telescoping boarding ladder to the starboard side. Nice close-off door right there. It's also where your batteries are located. We've got four rod holders along the back, really large, heavy, oversized ski pole from Boston Whaler as well. V8 300 Verado from Mercury with the top cowling service door. Large bench seat at the stern. You can comfortably seat 3 adults. And you've got storage doors that you can access via a single or a double door. This is also where you have dedicated storage for that ski pole if you don't want it in the upright position. You've got JL audio speakers on both sides, cup holders, and a freshwater sprayer as you enter the cockpit. You've got a slide-out igloo cooler beneath the helm. And this helm seat has an adjustable backrest with multiple locking positions. You've got rocket launchers along the hardtop, storage area for soft goods, and really well-appointed helm area. You've got a couple of areas for your feet. Steering wheel is on a hydraulic tilt. Nice glove box with charging ports for your devices. Touchscreen from Raymarine. Fusion Bluetooth stereo head unit. LED trim tab indicators for your trim tabs. Of course, you've got your cup holders and, of course, digital throttle and shift from Mercury. Two more speakers on either side of the console. In your head area, you've got a lot of headroom. Pump out porta potty on the 240 Dauntless, and you've also got storage for the picnic table that mounts up in the bow. Forward of the console, you've got a console seat with 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders, and your freshwater fill, and then also a live well just beneath the seat. And then on the 240 Dauntless, you've got a really versatile bow area. So right here, we've got cushions in place, huge lounge space, backrest, engage and lock into place on both sides. As you can see, someone who's well over 6 feet would have plenty of space to lounge on this boat. Backrest easily disengaged to fold down. But what's really cool about the 240 Dauntless is when you want to fish, these seats, or cushions rather, quickly unsnap. This entire area will be casting space. And you've got storage on both the port and the starboard side. The port side has dedicated space for rod storage. In the center, got a really large fish box or cooler area or just dry storage, however you want to use it. And then identical storage here on the starboard side. That's open and versatile and grained as well. As this model is equipped with the trolling motor panel, it is ready to fish, pre-wired for a trolling motor, which also gives you the lower profile rails. Anchor locker is housed here. And ultimately, just a really versatile and great boat from Boston Whaler with the 240 Dauntless. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us on our Daniel Island location and give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always visit us online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.